GuideStar Pro is an advanced search and analysis tool for professionals in the nonprofit sector to help you find what you need quickly. Search for organizations with more than 40 filters, including name, location, cause area, and financials. Here's a quick glance at a GuideStar nonprofit profile. It starts with a summary, including mission statement, address, cause area, and tax forms. Next is a list of the organization's current programs and who they serve. Financials provides the financial health of an organization at a particular point in time. Operations focuses on people and provides information on the organization's officers, directors, key employees, highest paid employees, and board of directors. Compare different organizations' financial trends side by side. Analyze an organization's year-over-year profit, revenue and expenses, and financial trends analysis, powered by Nonprofit Finance Fund. Download in-depth nonprofit information, save your searches for later, and receive reports by email. Instantly verify an organization's current IRS status and eligibility to accept tax-deductible contributions with GuideStar Charity Check.